Well, hi there, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio. We just finished up the first project off of our family projects video, and now we're going to move on to the second project. Now, this first video is about cutting glass for a stained glass Christmas tree. It could be used as an ornament, or it could be used as a gift. We had a friend who made 3 of them and gave them with that book about 3 trees at Christmas time as a gift. So anyhow, this is the first one. The first one's about cutting the glass, and then we'll go on. There are 2 other segments, and so you can just follow along. Now, I suggest that because this is easy to understand instruction, this is the kind of instruction that you could show to your children if you want them to be able to build the stained glass project with you. All right, Sam, I've got a little ornament here, a little sun catcher, and I've got some green glass. So what do you think we're going to do next?
Make the ornament?
Yeah, we're going to do a Christmas tree. But we don't have a pattern. I have a pattern, and by the way, there'll be a video, with a video there'll be a PDF that you can print out. We'll have a pattern, but I thought I'd show you how to do this one when you don't have a pattern. So what we do is we put our Christmas tree right up here, and then I'm going to set my T-square cutter so that it's the same length as the Christmas tree is tall, okay?
Okay.
All right, now I'm just going to do the cut of the strip of glass, okay? And now, did you see your mom do these? All right, just crunch on there.
Okay.
Woohoo! That was good. Okay, so now we have a strip that's just exactly the right height that we want for our tree. All right, so what we can do now is we can mark this and this is a Sharpie marker, and I want to show you this, Sam. This is really cool. Look at that. You just turn it and turn it. Nothing that we're doing here is very complicated, but next we're going to cut this, but we're going to use the hand cutter.
Okay.
Okay. So, you just take the glass cutter, hold it like you're going to stab it, and you just roll that wheel along this line. Are you right-handed or left-handed?
Left.
Okay.
Okay.
So, hold it like you're stabbing. Yeah.
Okay.
Like you really don't like this glass. You're really mad at it. Okay, and you want to put it right here on the glass and push down hard, hard. Okay, that was good. Did it feel good?
I don't know.
All right, now on this, see how it came off the line? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to steer this over. See, so I came over and it's off the line here. Now, on this time, I want you to take the glass like this with each thumb like that, and I want you to rock your hands apart.
Okay.
So, have your fingers together. There you go. And just, wow, that was good. Okay. Now we need, I guess we'll have Landon, we'll send Landon over to grind this part off.
Okay.
All right, Landon, you want to do that? Go. See how that part needs to be straightened up so it's more of a point?
Okay.
Okay, and you can just... Here's another way you can do it. I put it on this edge. Now push down with your thumb. Push. Woohoo.
Didn't know there were so many ways to cut glass, did you?
No.
Okay.
Well, I hope this has been instructive for you. Some parts are probably things you already know about. Other parts are new. I would hope that you would like to do these projects. If you subscribe and click on that bell notification, you'll be able to get to all of the projects that we're uploading. These are our weekend uploads, not to be confused with Jeannie's Wisdom Wednesday uploads that get put up on Wednesdays at around noon.